Hey Snapchat fans, are you tired of getting constant notification from someone on Snapchat? Well, today I am going to show you how to mute notification from just one person on Snapchat. As you know that muting notifications on Snapchat allows you to silence notification from specific friends or groups. This way you can still receive snaps and messages from them, but you won't get notified every time. So let's get started to the video. First of all, open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Then go to the chat screen. Now select that person you want to mute notification. Select. I will select one. In that you can see the three dot icon at the top right corner. Tap on that. Inside this you can see chat and notification settings. Tap on that. After that you can see the notification setting. Tap on that. Now toggle on this both option. How much you want to mute that chat, you can give time and everything. So I will select for an hour, and also you can give this also mute calls if you want. I will give this also. After both toggle on both option, click on done, and that's it. Muting notification on Snapchat is easy and helps you. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching this video.